What is going on, guys? Savage Pickle here, back in another banger video. Today, I'm out in the C5. Where are we at, bro?
Where are we at, Isai?
We're in my N55 335i.
X-Drive.
X-Drive.
And what are we doing today? What are we doing,
bro? Let them know.
We're gonna get the B58 pump on this car so we can run E40.
Yeah.
Well, I can run E40.
Basically, this came straight from China, man, off a Supra. It's a Gen 2 B58 fuel pump. And we're gonna retrofit it, or Jerry's gonna retrofit it on the N55 electronic wastegate so we can run E40 IMHD and see if we could gap all the VR30s.
Alright guys, so basically we're on the way to Jerry's right now, and it's a 40-minute drive, but it's pretty worth it because Jerry knows his stuff. If you know Jerry, then you know his work.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
What are you hoping to gap with this, bro?
I just want to beat more V8s, you know?
More V8s.
More V8s.
I don't know, I think we should roll back the last clip where he lost to the LS2.
Oh, shit.
Going from an E20 on stock fuel system to this, I think it's around a 30 to 40 wheel horsepower gain. Because not only are you opening the ethanol content, but you're opening the fuel, something with the fuel. I'm not a master mechanic, guys. Don't flame me. But I just know this is just a way better fuel pump. Hello?
What's going on with Poppy? Is it ready or what?
We're on the way right now. You're on camera right now with Pickle.
What's up, vlog?
Yeah, man. No, we're on the way right now. So we'll see what's popping later tonight. Is there still races confirmed or you don't know?
Mike, what do you mean?
I thought, oh, you don't know? I was trying to see if Floppy has races confirmed. I don't know if he was going to race the Audi. Well, shit, we'll let you know, or check my location when we're on the way back or something, see what's up.
Alright, so how much was the fuel pump and how much is the labor going to be?
So I paid it $200 off of Marketplace. Came off a Mark 5 Supra. It's gonna give me magical powers or whatever.
How much Jerry charging you?
Jerry's charging me $150, right?
$150 for the best mechanic in the game, bro. What a G.
Alright guys, so we just got to the shop and we're going to see what's up. It looks a little packed, but...
Bro, just don't be stealing people's food, bro. Come on now. If you want food, we could go get food right now.
I swear.
Bro's making himself
So
at
can
home.
you pass me one too? So Jerry charged me $300 for the job, bro. But I think I got a good deal on it because it's basically like a custom job, you know. Like he has to like shave down some metal parts, wiring, and he's got to wire it into my car, the fuel pump or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah. So basically, this is all in Jerry's hands.
This is all in Jerry's hands, bro. But it's all good though, and we get back when he's doing it.
Whose dog is this?
It's one of the...
Whose dog is this?
One of them.
Sit. But yeah, we're gonna go get Domino's. This is the whip for the meantime, and this is N54 Dan's beauty. What's going on in here?
We're LARPing the M3.
But this is one day, but this is my dream
Dude.
car.
It's what's the time? 8:30?
8:47.
8:40. We're gonna be out here in like
Probably by 9.
probably by 9. Yeah.
And we still gotta catch some races, bro.
Son, I don't know if I'm gonna stay along for that. But
Why? What do you got going on?
Nothing. But I just want to go home, bro.
He just wants to go home and play fucking Rocket League, bro.
This guy,
Just
bro.
to be plat.
Alright, but we'll see you guys. I don't know when.
This is what, like a couple days after?
Yeah.
A couple days after I'm putting the car. It feels quicker.
So after we saw Jerry, bro, what did you do to the car? Did Kevin like help you like?
Well, I tuned it myself after, because I had to pick up the car the next day because they messed up the wiring or some shit. I don't fucking know. But we got the car. I picked it up the next day. Girlfriend, she fucking picked it up for me. And so we got the car. It's way faster. I tuned it at the gas station.
At the gas station?
At the gas station.
To pump straight E40?
Yeah, after I fixed it, I went to go to the gas station to pump straight E40, bro.
Damn.
E40. Bro, I'm gonna get gapped again, bro. I'm gonna get gapped.
You got it, bro. You gotta have faith in yourself, bro.
Oh, look who pulled up.
Dude.
Hey, why is bro sweaty though? Why is
Why
bro
you
sweaty?
Yeah. What are you doing, bro?
What were you doing, bro?
Yo, Omar, who do you think's gonna take it, bro?
The 5-0, I'm not gonna lie. But
5-0?
it's not, bro, this guy's like over exaggerating. It's gonna be like probably like this, in my opinion. Like this.
But that's gonna be the same as the LS2, bro.
No, that was too gapped you like this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But you're quick, bro. E40's a lot. Let's go, my boy.
Yeah, bro.
Yo.
10 seconds, 60 to 30. I mean 130.
How long?
Introduce me, bro. Who's who?
The guy
Sorry,
with
Doug, that's you.
the guy with the glasses is
Alexis, bro. Why are you sweaty, bro?
Just came back. I ran a marathon.
Alright guys, so I just found out that this guy right here is racing the not the dark horse. Imagine racing the GT. Just found out this guy's racing the GT.
I'm pretty confident. The only thing I'm scared about is like I'm a little low on gas.
A little low on
gas. Be chilling.
Wait, you're on E?
Yeah.
Bro, come on. This is not even a fucking competition anymore, bro.
It ain't a competition.
No, it's not, bro.
It's good.
It's not, bro.
I'm scared though. He said he has a gap cam out.
This guy is taking home the dub, bro. I don't know about Floppy though, but I guess we'll see.
Alright, so the street is safer. Fuck the freeway. Fuck freeways. Fuck all y'all niggas. Me la pela.
Whoa, bro. Okay. You confident? You confident, huh?
No.
Alright, guys. So we're first gonna do a 40.
And TJ?
And TJ, obviously. This is AI generated. Do not replicate the stunts that we do because we are trained professionals, right?
Yep. I don't think he was ready.
I don't know.
I don't think he was ready.
Alright, so first run.
I don't think he was ready. I don't think he was ready.
First run, Floppy got the shit out of him. But I don't think he was ready.
I don't think he was ready. Were you ready?
We can do one more. I just did it downshift. I wanted to test it as like just stepping on throttle.
Okay.
Alright, so first run, he didn't downshift.
Are we gonna do it into the light? Fuck it.
And we're gonna do another 40 right now.
He top ends me. I mean, he topped out like at 125, 130-ish, I want to say.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Hey guys, how y'all feeling? You think he's gonna? I think the 5.0 is gonna take the. I think the 5.0 is gonna take the.
I think 5.0 definitely takes it for sure. But honestly, it's pretty impressive for East car. That means the stock 10 speed he could beat it for sure.
All right, guys, 50. Here we go.
Low-key might have.
I think so.
I think he got top-ended, bro. Those 10
Bro.
speeds are nasty.
Bro.
Those 10 speeds are nasty.
I want him to do one right here.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
I told y'all those
What?
10 speeds are nasty, bro. I told y'all. I'm scared of them for a reason.
So if he has headers, then I'm good.
That's what I'm saying. The numbers don't add up, bro. Remember I told you the numbers don't add up.
Oh shit.
All right, guys. I don't know what roll this is, but they're coming, bro. How you feeling, bro?
Feel kind of good, bro. I was a little nervous because I'm like, damn, this is a V8, bro. I'm in a 6-cylinder. But like, look, give me a confidence boost because like I didn't know my shit was moving like that.
Damn, bro.
No, but like genuinely,
Humble king.
like the videos will be, you'll see the videos of the race. That shit was fire.
Top end king right
Top
here,
end
bro.
king, and that shit has good top end. I still like pulling on it.
Yeah.
First
Nigga.
one first one you won, second you won.
Because he said that he fucked up the shifting.
Second one you lost.
Hey, a race is a race.
Hey, a race is a race.
A race is a race.
Hey,
A
hey,
race
are you calling out the LS2 for a rerun?
Yes.
Floppy.
But I won though. I feel like I won.
All right, guys. Now we got GT versus the N54. N54 king right here.
Alright, bro. I'm not the king yet.
You were way ahead. You were way
Yeah, I
ahead.
was. So what's wrong? So what'd you do to Jaden's car when we raced?
His car.
Nah, then why is it slower today?
He's gonna go on E this week though.
Yeah?
Yeah, later this week.
My first dub.
I
My
flopped.
first dub. Give me a run.
Win though?
Gi-